Hi there, I'm Alice, Product Marketing Manager at Pentest-Tools.com, and I'm here to bring you this month's product updates. Let's dive right in. You've been asking about this feature, and it's finally here. Diff notifications are now available for 2 of our discovery scanners, Port Scanner and Subdomain Finder, and all our vulnerability scanners. Diff highlights new and updated findings compared to your previous scan on the same target with the same tool in the same workspace. Use it to monitor changes in your target's attack surface. And be sure to check out this short demo that my colleague David just did. Our website scanner just got faster. We've increased the URL crawling speed by 30%, making our proprietary web app scanner more efficient from start to finish. The tool now uses parallel processing when detecting cloud-hosted URLs. Expect faster discovery, quicker scan completion, and more timely results. And of course, the improvements don't stop here. The passive detection method also got better with disclosure of OS paths in the HTTP response and detection for session tokens in the request URLs. We're giving you even more control over our most powerful offensive security tool, Sniper Auto Exploiter. You can now automatically get proof of exploitation for selected CVEs. Plus, our team developed new custom exploits for 2 high-impact vulnerabilities in GeoServer and SolarWinds ServView. Remember that whenever we add new exploits in Sniper, it means our network scanner can also detect those CVEs for you. Speaking of the network scanner, we've made small tweaks to it to protect your focus and get rid of that draining manual work. Now, you get end-of-life findings for Nmap-detected products and operating systems. And we've made the How to Reproduce section Tidier, moving the curl command from nuclei here. Here's another tool that got more effective improvements this month, the Password Auditor. Informational findings for HTTP server-side errors now have screenshots to make them easier to check. We've also introduced scan logs, so you always know what scan is active at any given time. Do you use the WordPress scanner to find core vulnerabilities, outdated plugins, and other critical issues? You'll definitely see these visual improvements our team did for the scan results. We're always looking for ways to make our product easy on your eyes so you can find and focus on what's important. Thank you for watching till the end. See you next time! By the way, we also have a fresh onboarding series for you, where we go deeper into what you can do with Pentest-Tools.com. Go check it out!